name is Rico, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about vlogs, series and tutorials. In today's episode we are going to take you guys with us to a place called Haukeland. Before we arrived in Haukeland we had to drive for a couple of hours, made a pit stop in between so I could set up my drone. That incredible scenery, we went back to the car and drove for another couple of hours. The weather changed, it became sunny outside. I was very hungry, Lisa was very hungry, so we decided to have a little picnic on the side of the road. Okay, so right now we're on our way to Bergen, but we're having a picnic first. While you're telling a story you have to consider three things. First is the beginning, second is the conflict, then the resolution. So what happened was, the beginning is me and my girlfriend are having a picnic. And the conflict is I just burnt my mouth on a cup of tea. And the resolution to that is never drink your tea just after you poured it in. Simple. When we arrived at Haukeland, Lisa said, hey, let's check out the lake and take the canoe with us. I figured that was a good idea, so check it out. So I know I told you guys we would go to Flum, but that turned out to be a total bust. So we decided to go to a campsite near Bergen. That's our campsite. Here's the dog. Here's my girlfriend pedaling. Ooh. And we're just enjoying some time off, taking a rest. After a while Lisa got tired of all the pedaling, so she asked me to pedal. And to pedal some more. And to pedal some more. Nacho couldn't care less, he was just enjoying the scenery. And while I was still pedaling to get us back to the campsite. The past few weeks you guys gave me a lot of feedback on the drone clips. Thank you very much. It really makes me happy when I read a comment that says, oh, I love the drone clips. Your drone clips are awesome. Your drone clips are nice. When I fly my drone and the clips that I use make it seem that I fly flawless. But I wanted to take this moment to show you guys 3 different clips in which I nearly crashed my drone while being there. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys liked it. As you could see, it was a rest day. We didn't do much, so it's not very excited, but I hope you guys enjoyed the scenery. There's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to that like button. Consider subscribing if you like what you saw. Hit that bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop or release a new video. And until next time, doei! Okay, I'm still here. If you like, go subscribe over there. Check out my previous video over here. Or maybe it's vice versa, I'm not quite sure. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate all of you being here on my channel. I love the comments that I'm getting. It really motivates me. I got a couple of episodes more about Norway and then we're moving on to regular vlogs.